Hi everyone, let's have more examples about ternary operator. So has full access boolean equal the boolean equal true, role equal admin in case of has access true, has full access true, otherwise role is guest user. This line means role equal admin in case of has full access equal true, otherwise else guest user. Else role is guest user. Print role. Yes, role is admin because has full access equal true. Update it has full access equal false, so role will be guest user. We actually can do the same but in different way. Print admin role in case of has full access equal true, else print guest role. Run guest user from this line and the guest role, print guest role from the last line. This means this line means print admin role in case of has full access equal true, otherwise print guest role. We actually update to true, update has full access to true. Run again. Yes, admin comes from this line, role equal admin in case of has full access true, and admin role comes from this line, print admin role in case of has full access to true. So if you have any problems, just let me know. Thank you.